Hello everyone, I am going to dictate you steno legal matter. Be ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
The question before the Supreme Court in that case was whether the wife could be said to have obtained a divorce for her husband's stop. By virtue of Act of 1939, the Muslim women were given right to apply for divorce and obtain a decree from a court of law stop. In that context, it was observed by the Supreme Court that the first limb of clause (b) of the explanation covered the cases where woman was divorced by unilateral act of husband as under Muslim law, and second limb of clause (b) of the explanation covered the cases where the wife had obtained divorce from the court under the Act of 1939 stop. Both the main judgment as well as the concurring judgment held that wife had obtained decree of divorce and therefore was covered by second limb of the explanation to section 152 (f) stop. When the decision was rendered by the division bench, there was no other direct decision of the Supreme Court on the point, and the Supreme Court did observe by way of obiter that first limb of the explanation (b) covered the cases where the wife is unilaterally divorced by the husband, and under second limb of the explanation the wife who has obtained decree of divorce from the court was entitled for maintenance stop. Going by those observations of the Supreme Court as to the interpretation of two different limbs of the explanation (b) to section 125 (1) of CRPC, it was held by the division bench that in a case where the husband has obtained a decree of divorce against the wife would not be entitled for maintenance, as husband could have legitimately raised the defense under subsection (4) of section 125 of CRPC that she refused to live with him without sufficient reason stop. That view is expressly overruled by the recent decision of the Supreme Court in Rohtas Singh's case, which is referred to above, and therefore I cannot accept the contention raised on behalf of the husband in this matter stop. The courts below have rightly held that the divorced wife was entitled for claiming maintenance against her former husband under section 125 of CRPC stop. This leads me to consider the wife's petition being criminal writ petition number 646 of 1994 filed for challenging the reduction of maintenance amount by the Sessions Court from Rs 500 to Rs 200 per month stop. That question is purely a question of fact and matter of appreciation of evidence stop.